Okay guys, we made it into this mill through this little hole, or it's a pretty good sized hole. We shimmy down here and we're down inside this mill, which has these huge freaking tanks, whatever they are. Whatever these tanks are. And we're gonna have to go live and die by my headlamp in here. It's really dark. But look at these tanks. Yeah. So you got your typical janky block on the bottom, supposedly, and brick up top. It's all being X-factored, the whole building. But I never seen these tanks before. Let's go look. Look, I haven't even been in here yet. ShawnyBee's already in here. Look at this post. Look at all the rivets. Oh man. I don't even know if I can fit through here, dude. I don't know that I can. All right, let's try, guys. Suck it in. Oh man. Ah. Wow. Barely. Okay. All right, we're in this really low section of this mill. Crazy. Look at these tanks. Go over here and look at them. Some kind of trench right here. Yeah, look at these tanks. Crazy, they're like 20 feet across. Wow. Oh, there's a whole bunch of them. They keep going down there. Look. Whoa, let's go that way. This is all modern junk, L metal, and all thread, that's what that is. Piles of all thread and L metal, modern junk. Look at the stairs. Oh wow, look at it in here. Holy crap. More tanks, lots of pipes. Look at all the rivets on the beams. Wow. All right. What else we got in here? All these giant tanks. We got no surprise. Oh, look at this compressed air system. Wow, we got bricks around the corner over there. We'll go look at it. This is definitely probably all original. Part of the system. Sorry for all the shadows, guys, but we're living and dying by this one headlamp. Look at crazy.
I use something like that on my nail gun at work.
Crazy.
Yeah, big compressors. Look at them.
Wow, look at this system in here.
This is an air system.
Man. Now there's some modern parts in here and some old world parts, in my opinion. Or is it all old?
Yeah, it's an old compressor.
Yeah, I mean the whole thing could be old. Oop, I hear water. Look at these more giant tanks. They look like compressor tanks. Crazy. Yeah, all brick. All brick even down here. We're down below ground. We're down below ground, in air quotes. Look at these footings and posts, the rivets. Crazy. I keep forgetting to get pictures, or what I can anyways. All right, just piles of bricks and terracotta. And obviously more brick over here. Look at it's all brick. What's in here? Look at this door. All right, what do we got? ShawnyBee Company. We've seen these before. What's in this room? What is what's in this room, guys? Let's go. Ay, 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 sketchy. Lots of Dawn B Company stampers. Super sketchy. All brick. Oh, there's another door here. I don't think that one will open though. No way. That's too bad. That's a heavy duty door. That might be original door right there. Actually, it probably all is. All these stupid flatheads and ridiculous metal. Wow. Oh, I wish we could get through that door. You know, I do have a pry bar. You know what? Hold on, guys. Hold on, I gotta put you down. Okay, let's try it. We have this. No way, it's opening. It's opening. Get out of here. Oh, look. Wow, cool. Wow, we opened it. Sick. All right, we'll come back for that bag. Sick. What's out here? Oh, you're already out here. Look at all the brick. Wow, I've never been inside of one of these. Huge room. Yeah, all brick floor, obviously. Literally all brick floor. I see lots of Dawn B Company stampers. Nebco. Yeah, the whole floor is brick, guys. Pretty thick too. It's not just one layer. It's multiple layers thick. Wow, this is nuts. Wow. Unreal. How did you get in here? Through that door? Oh, I pried that one open with your pry bar. Hell yeah. Look at, what's this asphalt looking stuff? Did they come in here with a paving truck or what happened? Yep. Bet you there's more levels below us. What do you want to bet? Look at the floor, guys. All of it. And the stuff that's not really brick and dirty, is you can still see brick lines in the dirt, sort of. It's just all brick, you know it is. Look at it. Unreal. Look at this footing. Oh, this is all original. Whoa. Oh, there's bricks in there. That's weird. Yep, all old world. Crazy. They're going to tell us it was a mill and they built it in the 18 blah, blah, blahs. It's all old world. All of it. Oh, look, the door fell off. Whoa! Oh, it fell apart. Damn. Yep. Sweet. Whoa, it's just falling apart in my hand. Yep. This is all part of it, original. Crazy. Holy crap. Whatever this was. Because I don't believe it was a mill. I definitely believe it was probably some part of a component. This was not meant for producing goods. They just came in here and put windows in. Wow, look at this footing. What the hell was this thing holding? What the hell was this thing holding? Huh? Wow. I want to get up here. chicken wire glass. Look at this. An old panel. It's an old panel, electrical panel. They're all panels and sub-panels. Wow. Yep. Now we're getting dripped on. But look, all piping, all utilities, or just water, whatever was going through those pipes. Yep. Oh man, I'm getting dripped on. Yep, this door looks like it was original. Crazy, these panels are really cool though. Really cool. All right, I'll go walk around over here. Look at this pipe. That might be a column. Insane. Yeah, that might be some kind of column. Super heavy duty steel, no joke. It's weird too because in modern times when you go do like a street pole, when you install the brand new street pole in a parking lot, you stand it up on the concrete footing, and up the top there is a hole for the wiring, just like that. And down on the bottom of the pole is another box, another hole, so that you can wire it, and the wiring will come up through the concrete footing. But yeah, that's how you pull the wire through. I mean, that's what it looks like to me. It looks just like a street pole. Yep. Yep. Ask an electrician. They'll confirm it. Wow. Oh, there's a pallet of bricks here. Look at this. What are these? Whoa! Nada. Just regs. Just regs. Yeah. Oh yeah, I know, huh? Yeah, this is just crazy in here. Oh man, I don't even know what to say. So, all right guys, I think we're gonna be wrapping up. I mean, I don't, wow, we had many of an adventure today. Oh, here's another one of those super crazy steel doors. And I can't really read it now, but
all I know is it's Fitchburg, Mass on the bottom. So DM.
I don't know if it'll let me turn my phone. I'll go back and try and read it. Yeah, one of those super hardcore, oh! heavy duty doors. All right. All right, and we're gonna go back into this darkness here and try and get out of here, guys. So we will, we may or may not make another video. I don't know what's going on, but pretty freaking cool, whatever this is. They wanna call it a mill, I call it BS. So, all right guys, we'll catch you on the next one.